I don't think anybody is in a rush to recognize at this stage, and Taliban should keep an eye on that. They should understand that if they need international recognition, assistance, which they will, in my view, then they have to be more sensitive and more receptive to international opinion and norms. If there's chaos within Afghanistan, then terrorist organizations like ISIS and TTP and the likes of them and others, will take advantage of that situation, and then again, we are in the front and we'll face the immediate brunt of that. And I hope they live up to this promise that girls and women would be allowed to go to school, college and university, and I hope they live up to that. Our objective is peace and stability in Afghanistan. In order to achieve peace and stability, we would suggest to Afghans that they should have an inclusive government. And from the initial statements that I've heard, they have not been averse to the idea. Let's see.